Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little unboxing on the Autel Maxiscope, and just to give you guys an idea of the price and what comes with it when you guys actually purchase it. So the price is actually going to be between $450 to $600 depending on where you purchase it from online. Some places might actually even be more expensive, but do your shopping around and you can get it for about $450. So it comes into a cardboard box, as you guys can see. Now, I'm going to open it up, and then we have the brains. Basically, this is your scope box right here. It's a 4-channel scope. It uses a USB-B connection, and it has a little LED to show you that things are working properly. It also comes with 2 attenuators. And the company that makes the attenuators is Hantech, as you guys can see. Both of them are the exact same. They're 20-to-1 attenuators. This over a little bit, please. There you go. Alright. And after that, secondary ignition probe. And the company that makes the secondary ignition probe, if you guys haven't already guessed it, is Hantech. Then we have the USB-B cable, which is right there. Then on the other side, oh, let's get over there. We have a connector for a sensor, but I don't know why they even give this. To me personally, it doesn't even need unless you can hook this up to the proper sensor, you're not going to need this. This thing's kind of useless. But anyways, then it comes with 4 banana BNC banana connectors, which is a lot better than what comes with the Hantech. The Hantech only comes with the alligator clips. And if I'm not mistaken, it comes with 4 of these. So as you can see, you got male on one side, and then you have female on the other. Alright? So that's perfect. It comes with a little spring tension on this side also, just to make sure that it doesn't like overbend and you guys don't break it. So as you can see. So you guys can't really like, it gives us a little bit more flexibility. The connector itself for the BNC is actually, looks like if it's gold plated, it might be brass, but as you can see. Now if you go with the Hantech model, which they do actually have one here, it's actually this stainless steel. So the connector itself, there you go. That's the Hantech side, this one, and this one's the Autel one. So the BNC connector for the Autel is actually higher quality. So with that being said, we'll put that one back. That, and comes with alligator clips, comes with multimeter probes, just for checking basic voltages and stuff, as you can see. There you go. And that's basically all that comes with it. So this was just like I said, a basic unboxing of the system, and just to let you guys know what comes with this guy when you guys purchase him. Now, if you guys want to go see what comes with the Hantech 1008C, which is basically the Autel, it's pretty much the exact same thing. You guys can go check out my other video, and I have an unboxing of that one also. Now, and it shows you what comes with the Hantech, and this one was just to show you guys what came with the Autel. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment, do something just to show me that you guys actually enjoy the videos that I'm putting out there, and you guys have a good day.